Boy, 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 boy. Y'all gonna like this video because I'm about to educate some of y'all out there who subscribe to my channel. Now, I hope that my opinions in politics don't trigger some of y'all out there who get like overly emotional and bothered because Big Bro TREN is just expressing his opinions on politics, which means it doesn't have to be your opinion, okay? You can leave your comment below in the comment section. I will leave it up, even if you disagree with me or if you agree with me. Just make sure you have the guts to listen and the courage to still stay subscribed, okay? But I'm about to tell y'all some real true stuff, okay? And I'm really going to talk to my black folk subscribers out there. I'm pretty sure a lot of black folks, African Americans, watch me and they probably think just like me. You probably think like me, okay? And you really are woke and conscious to the stuff that's really going on. But still, some of your cousins, your brothers and your sisters and your family members, they might be still kind of slow, okay? They astronauts, okay? And so that's who I'm going to be talking to in this video, okay? So please, my real, true black folks out there that know what I'm talking about, leave your comment below and fill me in on what I'm trying to explain to everybody else, because I know some people still just not gonna get it after this video. All right. I was inspired to make this video now because talking about Kamala Harris, because I just now got on Instagram. Lo and behold, on my feed, I see MC Light post a Kamala Harris banner. And on the banner, you know, Kamala Harris was like that because y'all know she's about to be up for the position of the president since Joe Biden just stepped down. So MC Light decided to post a picture of Kamala, and it was like a caption on it on the banner where it said something like, this is something like along these lines, like, this is our sister and she got me. And I'm just like black folks, is we still this behind in life nowadays and in our society? Like, do we always gotta see another person and think that that person is for us just because they color is the same pigmentation as us? Are we still living in slavery days to where we see another black person, we be like, oh, I trust him because he's black too. I trust that sister because that sister's a colored sister. Yes, she got my vote. And we don't do no research on these candidates. Not at all. None. And that's how President Obama became president. Okay? It wasn't because anybody knew about Obama. Nobody knew about Obama when he was running for president. They did not. Okay? Nobody knew that he came from out of Chicago and he was doing all these campaigns in Chi-Town and all this stuff. People in Chi-Town didn't even know who he was, because I talked to people that stayed in Chicago. They was like, I didn't even know this Negro when he was coming up. He just popped out of the blue. And what black people do, they see the skin of his color, the color of his skin. Go Obama, go Obama. You know why? Because we lack knowledge. My people perish because they lack knowledge. We so quick to see somebody running for president with the same color of skin and we'll go vote for them. But when we see each other out in the street in our own neighborhood, we won't even support them. Now, how did that sound? We don't even support our own kind's dreams or goals or aspirations. But when you got somebody on television or somebody in a position to become president who you not even close to, you never even met Kamala, probably ain't even seen her in real life, don't know what her policies stand for. All you know is that she was the vice president of the United States, and now she has a chance to become the president of the United States. And since she is a woman of color, because she ain't really black, okay? Since she is a woman with a little bit of pigment in her skin, all these black people are like, yes, go sister, go sister, go sister. That is not y'all sister. That's not y'all sister, y'all. You have to do your research on these people. Kamala Harris is not no black sister. You can just listen to how she talk and tell and how she act and her mannerism. She ain't really fully 100% black. Even I seen that before I even did the research on her. I'm like, something ain't right with this sister. She kind of off. she kind of off. You feel me? Because I know a black queen when I see a black queen, when black queens start talking. I understand that language. Okay? And it don't sound nothing like no Kamala Harris. Okay? And I did my research on Kamala to the best of my ability. I didn't do much because I don't care too much for her. I don't know her. She ain't even really been in the spotlight. She ain't even really been seen until now. I don't know what she has done while Biden been running the country. Don't nobody know. All we know is she was just his vice president. She was just his shadow, but she was never around doing nothing. She probably was at home chilling, watching Netflix. But she is East Indian. She partially Asian. I think it's East Asian Indian or something like that. Her father was from Jamaica. Her mother was from India or Indian or something. Okay, not black Indian, but East Asia Indian. She not 100% fully black, folks. She not. Even though she did go to Howard University, and so what? She did go to a HBCU. That don't mean she black. Just because she can go to Spelman and she can go to these black colleges and speak to all these black kids, I wonder if they really know what her nationality is. Oh, I get it. It don't matter to a lot of woke black folks because as long as they got the same color of skin, she's one of us. She's for us. Man, listen, y'all got to wake up, man. We fighting a war right now against principalities and powers and rulers of darkness. Okay? This ain't got nothing to do with colors. This ain't got nothing to do with gender. But see, that's what they want y'all to think. That's why they putting her up there now, because they already know it's a lot of woke women out there who feel abandoned, who feel left out. You know, you got the feminist movement going crazy right now where it's like independent girl boss power, which is this particular group that's running around saying that they don't need men. They can do it all good by themselves and stuff like that. She supports that. Y'all know that, right? She supports those movements. All right? Shouts out to the community out there, and y'all know what I'm talking about. Shouts out to the community. I have nothing against the community, but I'm just saying she supports the feminism part of it. Okay? And so, you know, they just really want y'all to play on y'all. They just want to play on y'all emotions, and they want y'all to vote based on gender and race. They like, we ain't got no other options now to win because the candidate we have, y'all already done seen the proof of who he really was. The man was incompetent, incoherent. He's suffering from Alzheimer's and dementia and all in one package. He can't even walk off the stage. We don't have anybody else. Is there anything that we can do? Do anybody have any ideas? Somebody raised their hand like, oh, I got one idea. You know who's one of the most popular votes right now? Who is the most popular vote in America? Which group? The black folk. You know who would be a great person to represent everybody that's colored? Everybody that's colored. Even the women. Who? Kamala. And Kamala was sitting over there like, not me. Y'all know that's all she do. She don't even know politics. She don't even know how to debate nothing, I don't think. She don't even know what's going on. She just like Donald Trump kind of, sort of. She just a person that was put in a position to play a role, but she don't even really have the background to really back up to be a leader for people of the free world. Did y'all hear about what she used to do in California when she was a judge? I think she was a judge. Man, she got so many people locked up, man, it's ridiculous. She done got so many guys locked up off of petty little marijuana charges. They in jail for life. She did it. You know why? Because she anti-black, bruh. This girl ain't for no black folks. This woman ain't for no black culture. She might, like I said, she might go to the black schools and speak to the black kids because that's all they see is skin color. You feel me? That's all they see is skin color. But that woman is not some of y'all sister, and she ain't my sister. You feel me? Just like I got brothers and sisters on my soul tribe side. You feel me? Now my soul tribe, I would say y'all are my brothers and my sisters. Before I even say my own sisters and brothers is my brothers and my sisters, because your soul tribe hit different from people that you connected to, such as your family and people that you bloodly connected to. Okay. Your soul brother could be me. Like, because you probably feel my concepts and my philosophies just like I probably would feel yours if me and you was to talk. That's why I be telling you to book a session with me. But even, listen, you ain't got to be no genius to know that this woman is not who they making her out to be. She doesn't have it, y'all. But see, again, they know they don't got no more options in order to win this election, and they throwing everything that they can at people to try to persuade people to follow in their plan. And you want to know what their plan is? Their plan is everything that's equaling up to what's going on right now. Do you feel good about your life right now? Do you feel good about everything that's happening right now? Because I don't know about you, but I don't. It's really scary. It's really scary out here. And I'm sorry, but I don't think I want anybody from that administration to go forward in the next 4 years for me. You feel me? But I'm not getting on here bashing Kamala. I'm just trying to tell y'all need to do y'all research, especially black folks. Y'all need to do y'all research before y'all stand up and start hooping and hollering about who this woman is, our sister, our queen, our sister. Y'all don't do no damn research. Y'all so ignorant. And that's what be making me mad about my people. I get on Facebook, I see the same thing. And you know when you get on Facebook, you know who you see on Facebook. Everybody from the past, everybody who you used to go to school with, everybody from around the way in the neighborhood. They on there the same thing. Yeah, go girl, you a queen, Kamala, you can do it, you a queen. Now mind you, these same people wasn't even thinking about no Kamala Harris at all, period. Until they put her on the big screen to convince the slow people in the back that don't never listen when the teacher's talking, okay, that they should praise her. They should vote for her so they could get her vote. This is what they do. And what the sheep are gonna do? The sheep gonna go right up. Oh, she's a woman. She's a woman. Don't know her philosophies. Don't know what she's saying for. Don't know how many people she done got sent to prison that don't got no life no more. Don't even know what she been doing for the past 4 years. Don't nobody know what she been doing. You feel me? What's been going on with this woman? Last time I checked, she used to be Montel Jordan's little chick on the side. Y'all didn't know that? Y'all remember Montel Jordan, the talk show host back in the day when like Ricky Lake and them and Jerry Springer and them was all around? Montel Jordan, she was one of his little, like that. Yeah, go look it up, do your own research. Him, he had her, he had Kamala. They was all together as one big family. And now she a politician and the vice president gonna be president. She ain't no better than Trump. And you got to be a fool to go out there and vote on your emotions, women. Women, now is the best time to step out of your emotional side and start using your logic a little bit, because they trying to trick y'all into believing it's a woman. Ladies, don't y'all need a woman leader? Yeah, they trying to trick y'all, man. This is what they trying to do. This woman ain't did nothing for women. What has she done for y'all ladies out there that y'all can think about this? What has Kamala done for y'all ladies right now? Can you think of anything? I ain't think so. But like I said, man, this has to stop. You feel me? I never was a politician or a political. I never cared about this political stuff until I seen how naive people are when it comes down to these election times of the year. You feel me? I just see how gullible people are. They just believe whatever they just believe whatever they see on TV. And this is why our country's upside down. And this is why they continue to use us and abuse us and treat us like slaves, because we have yet to understand who these people really are. They are not really for us, dog. Period. None of them, if you ask me. But right now, it ain't no, we got to figure out who's the best one. We need to get the economy rolling. We got to be able to survive. That's what we need to be focused on. Who is the best candidate to get the banks rolling? We need to get the bag. We got kids to feed. We got bills to pay. You feel me? We got food that we need to be stocked up in the refrigerator. You understand? That's the stuff that really matters. I could give a damn about if she a woman or a man. I don't care if she black, blue, green, tan, white, orange, like Trump. I don't care. I'd rather have an orange man in there who know how to do business and how to know how to do economic stuff than have some girl in there that used to date Montel Jordan. And she ain't even a sister. Barack Obama was the same way. Now, I can give Barack a little bit of credit, even though he didn't do nothing for us, no way, black folks. He didn't do nothing for black folks, but he gave us an Obama phone that you could go buy from Walmart, and that was free. He gave us an Obama phone. But ain't nobody got no reparations. They didn't give us black families $100,000. And y'all gonna go set up here. Y'all gonna go set up here and vote. But like I said, Obama now, his parents them was from Obama and them parents was from what? Kenya? I think his mama was from Kenya. Daddy was from Kenya, and they migrated over here the same way Kamala and them did from East. No, Kamala, I think she came from England, Wales, or whatever. But still, Kamala's parents was Jamaican. He was Jamaican, and her mother was East Asian, I think. And they migrated here as immigrants to this country, I guess. And she became a black American, okay? But she's not African, okay? American. She's a black American, okay? It's two differences. Obama is really partially African American because he literally was from Kenya, okay? Just like Michelle Obama, Michael is from, she's black, okay? He's black, all right? Okay? African American. Okay, whether it's Michelle or you call her Michael and you get the name confused, Michelle or Michael, that person, that thing is black. Okay, and I'm not trying to be disrespectful. I'm just trying to accommodate people out there who be getting her name mixed up and be thinking that she a man, and some people think her name Michael and stuff. Well, whatever you want to call it, it's a black person. Okay, that's better than Kamala. Black folks. Did I satisfy your needs of understanding who y'all dealing with right here, right now? Okay, because this is not the sister who y'all think she is. Now, I'm going to tell you what's going to happen. They about to blow her up. Now, they going to put on all the WNBA commercials with Angel Reese and them and Caitlin Clarkson and them when the commercial come on. They're going to put Kamala up there because they know all y'all women going to be watching it, and y'all need more people to come to the basketball game because don't nobody watch WNBA. We know that. You feel me? So they going to put them up there so they can win y'all vote if y'all gay women. Kamala can make it better. But really, she ain't never cared about no basketball. She probably ain't never even been to no WNBA basketball game. I ain't even never seen her at an NBA basketball game all year. And I watch almost every game of the season. I ain't seen Biden at none of them. I seen Trump at sports events. Trump was just at the UFC. I ain't seen neither one of them do nothing with the real people. I remember seeing Barack Obama play basketball at Rutgers Park and stuff like that, you know. But these two clowns, I ain't seen them do jack for nobody. You understand what I'm saying? So I'm just trying to let y'all know they about to blow this lady up. They about to put her on Front Street, make her seem like she's this big ticket, like she this person that she can make everything great again. But she ain't never was making nothing great. She just been in the shadows of this old white man for a long time, just cheesing and giggling, high off shrooms and stuff. Probably was smoking green and stuff before the interview. She ain't never did nothing. Nothing intelligent comes off this woman except for just privilege to make her look and appear like she's a African American. She ain't no damn African American. She's a black American. Her parents descended from Jamaica. Her daddy was from Jamaica, and she got more of her mama's genetics, if you ask me, because she looked more like an Indian woman than she even do like a Jamaican woman, an East Asian Indian woman. So y'all can buy into the propaganda all y'all want. Be stupid. Okay, because like I said, she not really that type of person. She not like us. That's all I got to say, man. It's your big bro TREN, man. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.